Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of convenience and power. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of portable performance with the best cordless air compressors. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, you won't want to miss this in-depth review. Get ready to untether yourself from cords and hoses as we unveil the top contenders in the world of cordless air compressors. Join us on this journey as we dissect their features, compare their capabilities, and help you make an informed choice for your pneumatic needs. At the first position of our list, we have DeWalt 20-volt cordless air compressor. The DeWalt 20-volt cordless air compressor stands as a testament to the evolution of portable power tools. This model embodies the seamless blend of convenience and robust performance. Equipped with a brushless motor, it offers longevity and efficiency, ensuring that you get the most out of your investment. The 20-volt battery pack not only provides ample power, but also ensures compatibility with other DeWalt tools, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. What sets this compressor apart is its compact design, making it perfect for on-the-go tasks, from inflating tires to powering pneumatic tools. Despite its small size, it delivers an impressive 1.2 SCFM at 90 psi, handling various applications with ease. The durable, oil-free pump promises low maintenance, a significant advantage for busy professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The compressor features a heavy-duty roll cage, providing protection against job site conditions and ensuring durability. The convenience of cordless operation is further enhanced by its quiet operation, which is a boon in residential areas or indoor environments. The LED display provides real-time updates on battery life and pressure, allowing precise control over your tasks. In summary, the DeWalt 20-volt cordless air compressor is an excellent choice for those seeking portable, reliable, and efficient air compression solutions. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Ryobi ONE+ 18V Cordless Portable Air Compressor. The Ryobi ONE+ 18V Cordless Portable Air Compressor is a compact and versatile tool, designed for users who prioritize portability and ease of use. This model is part of the expansive ONE+ system, meaning it is compatible with a wide range of Ryobi batteries, offering unparalleled flexibility for various applications. The 18V battery provides sufficient power for most light to medium-duty tasks, making it an excellent choice for both professional and DIY projects. This air compressor is particularly suited for tasks like inflating car tires, sports equipment, and small inflatables, delivering up to 120 psi. The user-friendly interface includes a digital pressure gauge and automatic shoot-off, ensuring precise inflation and preventing overinflation. Its portability is a significant advantage. It is light enough to carry anywhere, and its cordless design eliminates the need for a power outlet, making it ideal for roadside emergencies or remote job sites. The build quality of the Ryobi ONE+ 18V compressor is noteworthy. It features a durable construction that can withstand the rigors of regular use. The ergonomic design includes a comfortable grip handle, making it easy to carry and maneuver. The onboard storage for accessories, such as nozzles and hoses, adds to its convenience, ensuring that everything you need is within reach. All in all, the Ryobi ONE+ 18V Cordless Portable Air Compressor is a reliable, user-friendly tool that offers great flexibility and convenience for a variety of inflation tasks. The number 3 position is held by DeWalt DCC 2000 560T1 FLEXVOLT Cordless Air Compressor Kit. The DeWalt DCC 2000 560T1 FLEXVOLT Cordless Air Compressor Kit represents a significant leap in the field of portable air compression technology. This unit is powered by the revolutionary DeWalt FLEXVOLT system, which allows the battery to change voltage when you change tools. It means that this compressor is not just powerful, it's also incredibly versatile, compatible with a range of tools that operate on different voltages. This compressor delivers a substantial 2.5 SCFM at 90 psi, providing enough power to drive a wide range of pneumatic tools, making it ideal for tasks such as nailing, stapling, and even small painting jobs. The 60 VMAX FLEXVOLT battery ensures long run times, reducing the need for frequent recharging. The oil-free pump design further reduces maintenance requirements, ensuring hassle-free operation over its lifespan. One of the standout features of the DeWalt DCC 2560T1 is its one-turn regulator, which allows for quick and accurate pressure adjustments. The robust roll cage design protects the compressor against job site abuse, ensuring durability and longevity. Despite its power, it operates with a surprisingly low noise level, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The kit includes a fast charger, further enhancing its convenience factor. Overall, the DeWalt DCC 2560T1 FLEXVOLT Cordless Air Compressor Kit is an outstanding choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need a powerful, versatile, and durable air compressor. Next at number 4 we have BLACK+DECKER 20VMX Multi-Purpose Inflator. The BLACK+DECKER 20VMX Multi-Purpose Inflator stands out in the realm of compact, versatile inflation tools. This device is engineered to cater to a wide range of inflation needs, from vehicle tires to sports equipment and even air mattresses. It is powered by a 20 VMX lithium-ion battery, which ensures consistent performance and a long battery life, a boon for those who require a reliable tool for frequent use. This inflator is remarkably user-friendly, featuring a digital gauge that allows users to view current pressure and set target pressure, ensuring precise inflation. The automatic shoot-off feature is a critical aspect, providing peace of mind by preventing overinflation. Additionally, it comes with 3 attachments: a high-pressure hose, a high-volume hose, and an adapter, making it adaptable for various items. Despite its compact size, the BLACK+DECKER 20 VMX Inflator is robust and durable, designed to withstand regular use. The ergonomic design includes onboard storage for accessories and a convenient handle, making it easy to transport and store. Its multi-purpose capability is further enhanced by the ability to operate through a car's 12V DC outlet, adding to its versatility. This inflator is ideal for those looking for a compact, easy-to-use, and versatile tool for a wide range of inflation tasks. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Osa Air Compressor. The Osa Air Compressor is a compact, portable solution designed for an array of inflation needs. It stands out for its lightweight design and ease of use, making it a popular choice among users who need a convenient and efficient tool for inflating tires, sports equipment, and small inflatables. This compressor is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, offering the freedom to use it anywhere without the need for a power outlet. One of the unique features of the Osa Air Compressor is its digital pressure gauge, which offers precise readings and the option to preset desired pressure levels. This feature, combined with the automatic shoot-off function, ensures accurate inflation and prevents overinflation. It is capable of delivering up to 150 psi, making it powerful enough to handle a variety of tasks. The build quality of this compressor is noteworthy. It is constructed with durable materials, ensuring longevity even with regular use. The ergonomic design includes a built-in LED light, providing convenience in low light conditions, and the compact size makes it easy to store in a car trunk or a tool cabinet. The package typically includes various nozzles and adapters, making it versatile for different inflation needs. The Osa Air Compressor is an excellent choice for those who prioritize portability, ease of use, and versatility in an air compressor. And there you have it, folks. Our comprehensive guide to the best cordless air compressors has come to an end. We hope this video has been informative and has assisted you in your search for the perfect portable air compressor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more expert reviews and recommendations.